All right, guys, so this is a beautiful true custom ring. It's a 5-stone ring, okay? So it's exactly what it means, 5 stones on a ring. All right, so this is actually a band. The beautiful thing that actually really stands out here is if you actually notice, the cut of these stones are not the regular cushion brilliant cut moissanite. These are actually the crushed ice version of the cushion moissanite, and these are even-sided. Okay, so I know that the ones on our website right now are elongated, but for these ones here, these are even-sided crushed ice moissanite, and these are cushion shapes. Okay, so it gives it that very diamond-like appearance. All right, and it's set on a 5-stone setting made of solid 14K white gold.